Hey Autofiber team, are you ready for the new improved reacher kit? It's got a slightly different head and a much cooler look. Let me show you right now. Now if you're new to the reacher kit, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So it does have a threaded hole on the bottom, which in another video I showed you, you can take a paint roller and screw the extension pole for a paint roller into it, which I like if I'm trying to reach higher level glass or anything. And then we've changed the coloring, so instead of the blue and the white, it looks like a little more professional black color, which I do also like. And the head is slightly different, and now the head is designed to be basically the shape of your hand if you were to use your hand to clean the glass, such as in a smooth glass flip, which is what I'm going to demonstrate with when I clean the windshield of this Miata. So our smooth glass flip has a bit of a dreadnought side, and then it does have this smoother stitched quilt side. And of course, you know, like all of our flip series, it can be flipped over to use if it starts getting wet or dirty. So in this case, I'm going to show you how I can reach everywhere in the car. Now it is a small car anyways, but I'm going to show you how I can reach everywhere in the car with this reacher kit. So if I didn't have the reacher kit and I'm sitting here, I can't quite make it over, okay, without leaning across the console. But with the reacher kit, this is going to be an easy task. Now, if you can't tell, the head articulates, which means I'm sitting like this and I don't have to awkwardly hold it. I can move the handle just like this. You see here? So that allows me to change the angle. Now, when I get to the end, if I want to tidy up the last streaks, I can flip it over to the smooth glass side, the quilted side, and I can get those last bit of streaks out. Did you know when I posted a poll asking what the #1 challenge detailers face is, they all said glass cleaning, or the vast majority said glass cleaning. Glass cleaning doesn't have to be a difficult task. You just need a clean towel. We use American Detailer Garage Breeze, but you can also use Wipeout, and the reacher kit makes it easy to wipe across the windshield. So turn those difficult glass cleaning projects into something that's super easy.